Pneumonia. Introduction. Can you point to the bronchial tubes? Choose one of the following options. Correct. The bronchial tubes are the breathing tubes located inside the lungs. People over 65 have a higher risk of getting pneumonia. Select true or false. Correct. Symptoms of pneumonia can be similar to those of the cold and flu. Select true or false. Correct. The symptoms of viral pneumonia are like influenza or flu symptoms. They include fever, dry cough, headache, muscle pain, weakness, high fever, and increasing breathlessness. Pneumonia can be fatal. Select true or false. Correct. For some older adults and people with heart failure or lung problems, pneumonia can be fatal in as little as 24 hours. Lung infection can spread to the bloodstream and to other organs and cause more problems. This is more common in the elderly, babies, and people with chronic diseases. Drinking plenty of fluids helps the body fight pneumonia. Select true or false. Correct. Drink lots of fluids, especially water. Liquids keep you from becoming dehydrated and help loosen mucus in your lungs. Antibiotics can help treat pneumonia caused by viruses. Select true or false. Correct. Antibiotics do not help with viral infections. Pneumonia can be contagious. Select true or false. Correct. The viruses and bacteria that cause pneumonia are usually found in the fluids of a person's nose and mouth. Sneezing or coughing may spread the infection to others.
Thank you for using Explain.